Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast.
Hello guys, we're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very interesting and useful. We are going to talk about your city.
Yes, you will learn how to describe your city in English in a very simple way.
Don't worry if your English is basic. This lesson is perfect for beginners.
We will go slow, we will repeat, and we will practice together.
So relax, listen carefully, and speak with us.
And before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us.
All right, let's begin.
Part 1. Talking about your city. Let's start with a simple question. Where do you live?
You can answer like this. I live in Varanasi. Or, I live in a big city.
Good. Now you try. Say, I live in... Nice. Good job. Part 2. Is your city big or small? Now let's describe the size of your city.
You can say, my city is big. My city is small.
Or, my city is very big. My city is not very big.
Example, my city is big and busy.
Repeat after me. My city is big.
My city is small.
Great. You're improving already. Part 3. Busy or quiet?
Now let's talk about busy and quiet.
Busy means many people, many cars, lots of noise.
Quiet means calm, peaceful, not much noise.
Example, my city is busy. My city is quiet.
Or combine. My city is busy during the day, but quiet at night.
That's a great sentence. Now you try. My city is... Nice answer. Part 4. Places in your city.
Now let's talk about places in your city.
Common places. Market, park, school, hospital, temple, river, restaurant. Example, there is a park in my city. There are many restaurants.
Repeat after me. There is a park.
There are many shops.
Good. Now let's make it personal.
Say, there is a blank in my city. Very nice. Part 5. Talking about your favorite place.
Now let's talk about your favorite place. You can say, my favorite place is the park.
Or, I like the river. I like the market.
Example, my favorite place is the park. It is quiet and clean.
Repeat. My favorite place is... That's great. Part 6. Describing with simple adjectives.
Let's add some describing words. Clean, dirty, beautiful, crowded, old, new.
Example, my city is clean. My city is beautiful.
Or, my city is crowded.
Repeat after me. My city is beautiful.
My city is crowded.
Good. Keep going. Part 7. Real life practice.
Now let's do a small conversation.
Listen first.
Where do you live?
I live in a big city.
Is it busy?
Yes, it is very busy.
What do you like in your city?
I like the park. It is quiet and beautiful. Now listen again.
Where do you live?
I live in a big city.
Is it busy?
Yes, it is very busy.
What do you like in your city?
I like the park. It is quiet and beautiful.
Now your turn. Answer these questions. Where do you live? Is it big or small? Is it busy or quiet? What is your favorite place? Amazing! That was really good.
Part 9. Simple extended answer.
Let's make a longer answer.
Example. I live in a big city. It is busy and crowded. There are many shops and parks. My favorite place is the river. It is very beautiful.
That's a perfect beginner answer.
Now you try to speak 3-4 lines. Wow, that's great progress.
Part 10. Talking about transportation in your city. All right, let's continue. Now we talk about transportation in your city.
Transportation means how people travel, like bus, bike, car, train.
Simple sentence. There are many buses in my city.
Or, I go to work by bike.
Repeat after me. I go by bus.
I go by bike.
I go by car.
Good. Now make your sentence. I go to by.
Nice. That sounds good. Part 11. Talking about traffic.
Now let's talk about traffic.
Traffic means many vehicles on the road.
You can say, there is a lot of traffic.
Or, The traffic is very bad.
Example, my city has a lot of traffic in the morning.
Repeat. There is a lot of traffic.
The traffic is very bad.
Now you try. My city has... Great job! Part 12. Talking about weather in your city. Now, let's talk about weather.
You can say, it is hot, it is cold, it is rainy.
Example, my city is very hot in summer.
Or, it is cold in winter.
Repeat after me. It is hot.
It is cold.
It is rainy.
Now your turn. My city is...
Perfect. Part 13. Talking about food in your city.
Now let's talk about food.
Everyone loves food, right?
You can say, my city has good food.
Or, the food is very tasty.
Example, I like street food in my city.
Repeat. The food is tasty.
I like street food.
Now you try. I like... Nice answer. Part 15. Talking about safety. Now let's talk about safety.
You can say, my city is safe.
Or, my city is not very safe.
Example, it is safe at night.
Repeat. My city is safe.
It is safe at night.
Now you try. My city is... Good job. Part 16. Real-life conversation practice. Now let's do a longer conversation.
Listen first.
Where do you live?
I live in a big city.
How is the traffic?
There is a lot of traffic.
How is the weather?
It is very hot.
Do you like the food?
Yes, the food is very tasty.
Are people friendly?
Yes, people are very kind. Now listen again. The EWW.
Now your turn. Answer, how is the traffic? How is the weather? Do you like the food? Are people friendly?
Amazing! You are speaking more now.
Part 17. Daily life sentences. Let's talk about daily life again.
You can say, I go to work in the morning.
I eat food at home.
I walk in the park.
Repeat. I go to work.
I walk in the park.
Now you try. Very good. Part 18. Full answer practice. Level up. All right, let's continue. Now we will practice full answers again, but a little better.
Yes, now you will speak longer and more clearly.
Listen first.
I live in a big city. It is very busy. There is a lot of traffic. The weather is hot. The food is very tasty. People are friendly.
Good. Simple and clear.
Now listen again, slowly.
Now your turn. Speak slowly.
Great, that was really good.
Part 19. Adding more details. Now let's add more details.
We will use and to connect ideas.
Example.
My city is big and busy. The food is tasty and cheap.
The park is clean and beautiful.
Repeat after me. My city is big and busy.
The food is tasty and cheap.
Now you try. My city is... And...
Nice sentence. Part 20. Talking about what you do in your city.
Now let's talk about activities.
What do you do in your city?
You can say, I go to the market. I visit the temple. I sit in the park.
Example. I go to the river in the evening.
Repeat. I go to the market.
I visit the temple.
Now you try. I go to... Good job.
Part 21. Talking about time in your city.
Now let's talk about time.
Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Example. My city is busy in the morning.
It is quiet at night.
Repeat. In the morning.
In the evening.
Now you try. My city is... In the...
Nice. Part 22. Describing your favorite spot. More detail.
Now we describe your favorite place again, but better.
Example. My favorite place is the park. It is clean and quiet. I go there in the evening.
Repeat after me. My favorite place is the park.
It is clean and quiet.
I go there in the evening.
Now your turn.
Very nice.
Part 23. Mini conversation practice. Now let's do a small conversation.
Listen first.
Where do you live?
I live in a big city.
What do you do in your city?
I go to the park and visit the market.
When do you go?
I go in the evening. Now listen again. Now your turn.
Where do you live? What do you do? When do you go?
Great speaking.
Part 24. Making longer sentences.
Now let's speak longer sentences. We will connect ideas.
Example, I live in a big city and I go to the park in the evening.
Another example, my city is busy, but I like it.
Repeat, I live in a big city and I go to the park.
My city is busy, but I like it.
Now you try. That's excellent. Part 25. Listen and repeat. Strong practice. Now just listen and repeat.
My city is big and busy.
I go to the park in the evening.
The food is tasty and cheap.
People are friendly and kind.
Repeat it in.
Part 26. Build your own answer.
Now build your own full answer. Use these ideas. Where you live, city size, activities, favorite place.
Example, I live in a big city. It is busy. I go to the market and the park. My favorite place is the river. It is very beautiful.
Now you speak.
Wow, that was strong. Part 27. Speaking confidence practice.
Don't worry if you make mistakes.
Mistakes are normal.
Speak slowly.
Use simple English.
Repeat every day.
You are improving.
Yes, you are doing great.
Part 28. Real life practice situation. Imagine you meet a new person.
They ask, tell me about your city.
You answer like this. I live in a big city. It is busy and crowded. I go to the park in the evening. My favorite place is the market. The food is very tasty.
Now you try.
That's perfect practice. Wrap up?
Today you practiced full answers, long sentences, daily activities, time words.
You are speaking more now.
That is a big step.
Now tell us in the comments, what do you do in your city in the evening?
Try to write in English.
Keep practicing every day.
We are proud of your progress.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.